In this video, we will see how to set up the bot on the OKX Exchange. Once you navigate to Settings, under OKX, you're going to find Instructions. For the instructions, follow the steps, hitting the first link. Once you do that, it's going to land you straight into the page for the setup of the OKX. Keep the purpose API trading. Name the bot as you wish. Remember to enter the passphrase. You're gonna need it for the bot. Now enter the IP. The IP is for your own bot. Now you mark the permission as trade, and number 7, you just hit confirm. After verification, your keys will be generated. Now you copy the API key, and then you copy your secret key. To confirm that the bot is created, you scroll down and go straight to execute test trade. That will execute a trade of size 1 on the XRP USD pair. If the bot is properly set up, you should receive a message confirming, and you should see the trade on the exchange. Remember to manually close the trade. Now your bot is ready, and you can activate the bot and start trading.